so oh yeah, I look so good. Okay, this hair just looks so good. Who would have known that I did this? Okay, like, am I becoming a hairstylist? Let me stop before, cause look, y'all love to attack me about some hair and some lace, and y'all, I am not a hairstylist. I'm just a girl that be sitting in her room doing her hair. Okay, so yeah. But alrighty guys, so hi everyone, my name is MaKayla. If you're new here, and if not, then welcome back to my channel. So you guys, in today's video, I'm showing you how I got these gorgeous curls on this gorgeous layered unit that I layered myself on a 5x5 closure unit with no baby hairs. Can I get a pat on the back? Can I? I'm gonna pat myself on the back. So you guys, just a little disclaimer, if I am talking a little bit weird, it is because I have my Invisalign in. Yes, I got Invisalign. It's because I recently got Invisalign, and I'm still adjusting to speaking with them, especially when I just pop them back in my mouth. And for some reason, I waited until doing this video to just pop them back in my mouth. Right now, I feel like the part is making me look a little bit like Wiggiana, but we're gonna fix that. We are gonna fix everything, is gonna be bomb. So yeah, now the first thing that I'm going to do is try to add layers to my hair. Now I am using this tool that I literally just picked up from Sally's today. It is called the Gilberry de Perry, I don't know, a precision cut razors. I've quite literally never used this before, so let's hope that it does not like completely chop up my hair and make me look crazy. But for the look I'm going for today, I do need some layers. Okay, so that is what we are going to be doing. So to do this, I'm actually going to first, well actually, I'm gonna section my hair evenly on each side. Or, you know, about even, doesn't have to be per top. So I'm just gonna grab a section. And see, it's already kind of layered, but I want it to be a little bit shorter. Ooh, child, that is sharp. Wow, that cut that hair so fast. Oh, wow. Yeah, y'all, this cuts. This cuts. Wow. Okay, I know I'm like sounding crazy, but like I was not expecting that. All right. Okay, that was, yeah, I'm just kind of going like that.
Never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not,
it makes doing this so much easier. Like,
not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cat, no encore. Bring it right back to me, baby.
okay. So I'm just gonna be using my flat iron to curl the hair. Just doing typical flat iron curls, nothing too special about these. I would pin curl them up, but I really don't feel like doing that tonight, so we're gonna kind of let whatever these curls look like, we're gonna let them look like what they want to look like.
Nothing you say makes it better.
Okay, so before I comb it out, I'm going to lightly spritz it with my olive oil super hold spray. Not too much though, because I still want to be able to comb it out. Y'all, I'm super nervous. I don't know why. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay. I feel like I need a wide tooth comb to truly get it how I want it. Alrighty, you guys, so this is pretty much the finished look. Alrighty, you guys, so thank you so much for checking out this video. Please be sure to check out my other content if you enjoyed this one. I make everything from weight loss, hair, beauty, vlogs, talking, chit chat videos. So yeah, check those out. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications. Follow me on Instagram at MaKaylamashelle, and I hope you guys have a blessed day.